As in this video, I rather focus in how can I um, provision and Pi servers securely, and I really want to know this stack is actually depend on our stack. I'm not sure how it will work, but I'm really curious about how it will work. Yeah, so we have some kind of SS config template here, which I should move it to here, I suppose. So I know it's rare, but it's only being used around here, so we should move it anyways. Yeah, for sure we have to export this as well. So yeah. Similarly to this, we also need the data that and don't the data logo that actually upload this one. So in this case, I can have this one. Yeah, it's okay. We just upgrade down for a second, and we can run some kind of plan in here. Okay, I really want to have my DS working tonight. So tomorrow I can start working on some kind of self and things like that. Some kind of cluster installation. So a lot of things to do. I will give you guys. I'm kind of retired now. Let me just turn on my extension. If I turn on some kind of YouTube video, will it make some sense? Okay, sorry. And this one. So let me just try to play with it.
I am going to go ahead and ask folks, why don't we get a couple of Marines? They're going to look good next to us. Just because I've got to change the suits, but I don't know about our prime minister. There we go. That's good. You guys, I'm sorry about it. But let me
Let me I like this guy. I mean every United States president fuck it. the hell is VM group again? Oh, okay. I understand what is this shit. So the VM group is I think it's actually coming from this guy, right? Or not? Just 1 second. So let's check console here for a second. Yeah, we have the VM group. So this one is just node name. So I actually, okay, you know what? Let's just dev console this one. I want to check the locals. Oh, wait a second. Okay, yeah, this actually makes sense to me. Let's just destroy everything and try it again. We have the private key, we have the virtual machine. So I think the logos should have more than that. Oh, okay. We don't have the default here. That definitely for sure. So sorry guys for that.
Let me make sure that I answer a specific question. I can assure you that I certainly did not know anything about the IG report before the IG report had been. That's good. You guys, I'm sorry about it. But let me make sure that I answer a specific question. I can assure when we get a couple of Marines, they're going to look good next to us. Just because
I mean, this guy showed up gonna burn. Okay, this look very good, except for the private key from the plan. I mean, I don't expect to like this one showing up. It just kind of, just apply for now, just to see if it's working. I mean, terraform is not the great of transferring your sensitive file, right? We really don't want that. We definitely don't want that. So can we some kind of protect the sensitive file somehow and just try to, can we just not hide, can we just hide away? Well, you know what, yeah, just not, let me just go to Ansible for now. No, I don't care about Ansible for now. I care more about this guy. So the way we configure it, we actually trying to move the answer to this path. So I really want to know if the configuration is correct, and it does not, which is interesting to see. I mean, just look at this. I mean, we have the render file here, but I'm not sure why, but it's just not going up. Let me check for a second time. Let's try it again. So this guy is definitely requires some kind of destroy and rerun everything again. It's really amazed me about that, because I really didn't expect that from happening. But come on, it's not very harmful to have this running over again. So there's no scouts that much here, so you know it's really cool to see. Okay, this is actually working. So I'm not sure if we have scout logs here. Yeah, so no logs. That's pretty strange. Just one thing I can do is I really want to get a remote state update every time. So a replace trigger by something else is something I really want to look at. For example, if I destroy something from the remote state, and I think that's kind of hash must be generated from this guy. I'm not sure about the hashing, but how do I detect a change in remote state? You know what? Let me just visit this guy for a second. There's nothing running. Oh, it actually makes sense because I haven't even tried to run the DNS server, so it's actually my mistake. And I think I don't even apply it. I think. So every resource has an ID, I think. Let me just try to test it out. If it's true that every resource has an ID and it changes every time, then I really want to refund it from the remote state. So in this specific case, it should be the virtual machine. Yeah, that is something I wanted to take a look at. So it should be this one. So this guy has OK referring here. So the only thing I don't see is the resource ID. And I don't even know if we actually have something here to see the change here. I mean, we can already create a list of the next host out of this one, and how the hell it could remote, like you have to use some kind of edge, see. But if we can do some kind of refunding to the DNS server from mapping to DNS server from the domain to my local machine by pointing the DNS record here is, yeah, I have never fucking tried that, but it's just very cool to think about that. It's a fucking private IP, so how can I resolving? No way, man. If we have revolt on the nest, yeah, I mean, even pointing is there, and I don't know, man. I had never tried that, but that is very interesting. Okay, I'm just you guys might think I'm weird, a weirdo, but I tell you guys what, this is exactly what I'm thinking. I mean, I'm trying to somehow porting a rock tree, DNS servers or cloud of address to forward all the DNS query to my local machine. If I can do that, it's huge. I mean, come on, can you just think about that for a second? You know. Oh, that's actually someone who already did this. So let me just go to Rocky 3 for a second. So I would just run the plan all the time. No, for example, if I create a record, I think this reversed IP address, so It's actually interesting. I've never tried this one yet, but it's really interesting to, to really think about that for a few seconds. Okay, for some reason I don't need to log in. I had to tell you guys this, but this is not something I expected. So it's just something to do with the I mean it's something to do with the yeah, man. Let me just test try the whole thing again and try to plan again. Sorry guys. Yeah, let's just regret things again. So what I'm thinking here is actually create some kind of outbound endpoint. I'm not sure if that's actually working. Okay, this is actually forward request from my server VC to my servers. Okay, this is not something I want. So. I have a lot of talked.
Now for the last look. The world has known Russian President Putin to be a man who knows what he wants and knows how to get it.
Победа будет за нами!
Certainly is not the shy retiring. That's why earlier this week I was surprised to see this.
Not once. Surely, time has come to change this.
It was Putin asking very nicely and gently for the World Expo to be held in Russia in 2020, please.
But in all this time, Russia has not hosted the World Expo. Not once.
Having sat with him at close quarters,
Do you bring this trick out at parties? Oh no, it's a terrible party trick. Here we go. 3.1415926535897.
This is Grant Gussman. He watched an old video of mine about how we think that there are two systems of
Look about Warfare 9 and things like that. Okay, I think let me just adjust to promo server again. No, so the DN server again, just to see what is going on there. So this is okay. I think there's no problem with that. And we have the lock. Okay, so there's no user being set up. It's really disappointing me to see that. I mean, this is definitely something I don't want to see. I'm not sure why it's being override. So you know what? Look at this one. It's very insecure when you have access to my admin server. It just sucks. What the fuck? Let me just go here. I think everyone can use this. Oh, that's one thing I can do is try to clear the cookie out. Yeah. Same shit. So how to get nice setup pihole on a 10. You know what? Let's just do it again. I think we have to do this for several times before we really have something, you know. So let's just I mean, come on, look at this configuration is almost perfect. And how come it's being override? I definitely don't know. So I really want to run the command delay script, you know. What I really think is, can we just run this one, and run this one again? So it's all about, you know, just try to run it over again. Here is something I would do. And then I run this command here. Then
Hello YouTube. Mr. Info. It's the tiller. So helm in it. So all of them are running, and there's one deployment that's yeah, that's also ready now. Okay.
That helicopter is carrying a military squad, and it's gonna land right over there. If that's what suggested, I'm beginning to take it. Run. Get it. Go. Oh, they're running up. They're right on our tail. We gotta get out of here. I purposely put their car further away so I can get a head start.
Get in the vehicle, let's go.
Come on.
Right now,
Too far away. Right on the other side of these trees, it looks like. Alright, we gotta be quick.
Okay, we're
crossing the bridge.
Hey, Chandler.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Gotcha.
I've been waiting.
So I've done this in the past. I ran away from a bounty hunter and the FBI. I've never ran away from three different people.
I think Jimmy can get away now.
We're like a mile down the road that I heard that.
Yeah, you might
have to go another way.
The quickest way out of that field is this bridge that we just walked. So now they have to take the long way out and actually give me like a 5 to 10 minute head start. I rented an entire museum, have dozens of cars, giant military equipment, and so much other cool stuff. This is just the beginning.
He's heading up
back up like northwest.
This is where things get fun. As you see the Squid Game mask over there, we're in the right place.
Who is this guy?
Now we are in a warehouse full of jeeps. Let's just say when they pull up, they're going to be very confused. Do you know what to do when they get here? No.
Interesting. Okay. Just run this one again. I'm kind of bored with what I'm doing. Not really bored, but
Just drive in a random direction.
Right now?
No, when they get here. And now we patiently wait and monitor the security cam.
Looks like he stopped at a building.
Yeah.
Yes, spot.
spotted the military squad on the security cameras. All the doors in this building are locked. Let's see if they break into the warehouse.
I'm gonna stay out front in case somebody does ran out the front door.
Check out the stats. There's a vehicle back here.
So one of them is waiting at the front door, and two of them are in the back. We're just gonna patiently wait.
The tracker is still in the building. Alright, sounds good. Grab this to go bring
They're fresh tire tracks.
Well, Jim's going to get the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and break in.
Alright, go.
I'm gonna hide under this blanket so they can't see me in this car.
Jack, let's roll back to the Hummer.
Which one?
We made it out with all the other jeeps. Oh my god. They didn't even know how to react.
He's on the move again. He's straight ahead. Due south.
This is the tracker that is on the military squad where I am at all times. And if I put the tractor inside of this special bag, it jams it. And now they don't know where I am.
It looks like the vehicle may have stopped.
I don't see Jimmy. I think he's messing with us.
Alright, so hold on. This is updated. He's straight north again.
And now we're in the middle of nowhere. There's really nothing out here except this old barn that I had constructed. Whoa! Mind if I set my 100 grand right here? Bad news. There's only two seats inside of here.
I think I see coming up on the tracker. Check the car.
Go. Hey, brace yourself.
Let's go.
Hey guys!
I'd like to join your guys' team. What do you think? What's up, buddy?
Save Jimmy some time. Hopefully that's enough. Go! Let's go! She goes!
Okay. 3 guys ready to focus in this. So what I just done, I think I just change some of the command. I hope this one will work, but not really sure. It's very similar to what we do in this one. I think it will run it in the sequel, I think. But in all the option, I think we just run the script. I think that would be much better than just do this one, you know. I would just go with the script here. In case it's failure, we just need to prepare for that. So the whole idea is just like this one. I mean, just copy the whole thing here. You know, and whether you are doing is making some. I think I would rather put this one at the beginning of the line rather. This line. And yeah, something like that. So it's a multiple line. Yeah, you should understand that, right? So the things that I want to run is rather script, but I really want to check for the SS resource once again, just to make sure I understand it correctly. Because it's a different thing, right? It's not nearly the same thing, so. Okay, in that case, I think I will fail. So yeah, I would do is I do similar things like this guy. I mean, just use the remote state and do this resource, do everything. So yeah, just check the whole thing. So let's change this one to, I think, pihole config. All of them are kind of similar to what we have, but I think just make it a bit more accurate. I will copy everything by manually. the connection will be really similar to what we have here, except for the addresses will be the variable up there. So this will be different. For the file, I think with the source and destination ready. For real execution, I think I just rather use script file instead. So yeah, that's this one. But the only difference is that it will be in script and install pihole.config as sh. I think that's pretty much it. I couldn't think of anything else that's better than this one, so I'm going to remove this one for now. So we don't have to bother too much. It's not too many things at once.
Just gave Jimmy a 10-minute head start. We already decided we're going to donate the money. We know we can help out a lot of people.
And while the military got ice cream, we buried Nolan alive so that they would think he was me.
Nolan,
Are you ready?
I'm about to drop my tractor down.
I
dropped
Did
it. Did you get it?
Good, because I didn't
I didn't drop it, but I just did.
Act like
Act
me,
like
I'm
me,
gonna
I'm going to go hide.
go walk.
Those aren't very good call.
Good.
So we'll see. These guys.
Hey, we're driving away right now. He's driving to the path right now. Jimmy, earlier today before we jumped on the helicopter, who'd you talk to?
I don't remember. It was a long time ago.
Was it FaceTime or phone call? FaceTime.
Not him.
Not him. He could have been like, I don't remember I'm Jimmy. I'm famous. I have the tracker. You can't find me without. Fair enough. Really have to pick me up. You guys have to take a little involved. Hello?
Let me know if he comes down this path.
Passing my car right now. Go somewhere. Just move it that way. I can't believe you walked past me. I'm laying down on the side of the path. If you come to me right now, we're fine. I moved their Humvee, so it's not.
Okay. I actually remove the use of this guy. I mean remove the use of this SS things, I think. What it is called? SSH resource. It could not be as good as remote state, so actually I still use here for some kind of product upload, which is okay. I will keep it anyways. Yeah, weird. Why do I use this? I'm not sure why, but let me just SSH to my server again. So let's go to this file. For real? It's not running anything. This is a gift for either a few seconds to okay. I'll be right. I decided to go back to my previous solution. Same connection here and there. I mean, as long as it's work, I will keep using this one over again. So circulation will be different file, I think. It should be this part. This is the only way I can go with. So I think I have changed this one to CS mode. It's in persist executing.